Hi guys, well today just gonna get my tyres done on the Evo. So I've got a new set of tyres here. I've got Nangkang AR1'S 245/40s by R18. So they're street legal semi. Apparently they're pretty good. People rate them a lot. So I'm gonna take off the wheels off the Evo, head off to the local tyre shop. Hopefully he can strip and fit them today, and we'll have them on the Evo by the end of the night. Alright guys, just back from the tyre shop. The new tyres are fitted on to the rims, so I'll just go and throw these on after work. And these are the old ones, so I'm just going to keep these as a spare, my 8008s. But you know, the new Nangkangs are on. So yeah, let's go and put them on. Right, just a tip when putting the aluminium lug nuts on, just do them up by hand and crisscross. Don't use a rattle gun or you end up stripping the material of the lug nut. Alright, one wheel on, 3 to go, and then we'll take it for a test drive. Alright guys, so the Nangkang AR1 tyres are on the car. We'll just take it for a quick test drive to see how it is. And straight away I can notice that the car is definitely a lot stiffer. When I was lifting the new tyres into the back of the van, I could feel that the Nangkang AR1 tyres were way heavier than the 8008. So not too sure if there's, you know, more reinforcement in the sidewalls or the material's a bit different. Yeah, who knows, but yeah, the Nangkang AR1 tyres were definitely heavier to lift. Road noise, yeah, not too bad. A bit more quieter than my, you know, 8008s. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see how it is on the racetrack. Apparently everybody rates them. You know, everybody's using the Nangkang AR1'S. They're cheap and they're affordable, and yeah, apparently they perform on the racetrack, so that's why I got them. Alright guys, so it is 7:30 in the morning. We are driving to HAKON Suspension for a second time. Obviously the first time we couldn't get a proper track wheel alignment due to the fact that we installed the arms a little bit incorrectly. So Reed just had to do a quick street wheel alignment just so that I could drive it to Power Tune in Sydney the next day pretty much. So we're just driving there back now. He's going to do a full track alignment because I got the new suspension, I got the new Nangkang AR1 tyres. He's going to give it a full track setup, so we're good to go for the racetrack. Alright guys, we are here at HAKON Suspension for the wheel alignment. The car's just going on the hoist now, so let's have a look. Reed doing Reed's thing. Oh, I was just in the office here. HAKON, they do their own suspension kits.
car's all done. Just picked it up from HAKON Suspension. So we'll just take it for a quick test drive to see how it is. He's put -2 camber all the way around. So he says that a couple of Evos he's done it the same, and they've come up with pretty good results. So he's the one that actually he's the one that actually told me to grab the AR1'S because he reckons that they're good bang for buck tires. So I've taken him up on his advice there. Just first impressions so far, really good. Nice steering response. Steering wheel straight, which is what you want. Yeah, and I can feel the white line in front of me, sway bar just doing its job. Also the hard race camber arms and toe arms too. So even just driving along on these normal roads, pretty good. Yeah, just have to give it a hit. But yeah, just driving normally, really good. So we'll see what happens at the track day, and then if any adjustments needed, then we'll just go back to Reed and we'll just have a chat and see what he says. So yeah, that's it for this video. Like and subscribe. Still got plenty more stuff to do to the Evo before we can take it out to the track. So I'll just end this here and I'll see you in the next video.